8. Come on. 9. Come on. 10. Wicked. Where boy put in a chicken? Eh? Come on, Ashland. Give me 10. Come on. Get up there. Give me 10. Give me 10. Come on. Quick, quick. 1, 2, 3.
I'm behind.
Regin, you need to do 10.
Hey.
Pain. No pain, no gain. 3, 4. Come on. No pain, no gain. 5. You're 50%. Come on. Come on, AJ. So what you need to do, you need to go on that one because you're taller than him. Yeah? And I need 10. Come on. Okay, give me 5 then. 5. Yeah? 5. Come on. Pull. Pull. Come on, man. Try. Pull yourself up. Shall I show you? Hold this then. Cameraman. So because I'm taller than both of you. Look, yeah? You just need to relax. Watch it. Like that I thought. Yeah? Look. 1, 2. And you always make sure your chin goes over.
Okay.
Yeah? Look. And then you can even do abs. Easy. Not bad effort. Yes, Bridget, where I go to now? Think you can manage? Alright, show us your skills, bro. Ooh, okay. Slow start, but okay. Yes. Wow. Okay. Yes, I. Yes, I. Whoa! What was that? You didn't look what you were doing, did you? Come on, man. Have to be careful, but good job. Yeah? You could have smacked your face in there. You have to be careful, and it's muddy, so probably best not to do that again. Yeah? You can do whatever you want to do, man. Faster, Ashland, faster. Row, row, row your boat gently down this. Come on. Down the stream. Is that fun?
And we're stuck now.
It's up to you, pal.
This is how you stop it.
Ah, nice. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Careful, yeah? Good. So what are you gonna do now? What do you want to do now? Ah, swing. Okay. Oh, maybe not swing then. Yo! What are you doing, AJ? Doing what? Oh, where boy put in that chicken? Huh? What? Speak, man. Where's your voice? Oh, yeah. Where boy put in that chicken? Ashland, you want me to push you? Huh? Oi! Big man! Big man, are you may talk to you now? Yo! Don't ignore me, fam. Yo, why are you ignoring me? Why are you ignoring me, fam? Hey, why are you ignoring me? Didn't you hear me asking if you want me to push?
No.
You don't want me to push, or you didn't hear? Okay, I'll let you off then. What is it? Ah, yes.
I'm in.
So who's the train driver? And who's the fat controller?
How do you expect me to get to
Oh man. So you know what's going to happen now? You're going to get mud all over your trousers. Hey yo, that's how it is. You're at the park, innit? And it's wet and muddy. I don't think we'll be able to get away from that. Mr. Train Driver, can you take me to London, please? Can you take me to London?
Why?
Because I have a meeting with the Queen.
Well, you already went that.
Yeah, but I didn't see the Queen that time. I need to see her today. We have a meeting. We're going to discuss some very important things. Yes, AJ. AJ, where do I put in our chicken? Eh? Where put in our chicken? I thought you said it was seasoning. Seasoning. I don't think it's a good idea to be putting your muddy shoes on where people are going to sit. Think about it. See what I mean? And look, even you're sitting there now. Yeah, maybe that's how it's meant to be. Meant to be done. I don't have to help do nothing. You're strong enough. Yeehaw! Come on. Yeehaw! Come on.
I'll help you.
Come on. Ride the horsey. Come on. Yeehaw! Oh well, that didn't last very long. Where boy putting at the chick? That song is so funny, man. Where boy putting at the chick? Probably antibiotics and lots of other pharmaceutical drugs and hormones, right? That's probably where the boy putting at the chicken. And if the boy are Jamaican, then probably lots of herbs and spices, right?
By itself. It's spinning me around.
Do you know what that reminds me of? You know, people that make clay pots. They pottery, yeah. They usually put it on a spinning wheel, and then they use their hands to make it. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of.
It's hard to stay on.
It is hard.
It's like.
But just imagine. There you go. Are you spinning it, or does it just spin by itself?
It's tilted.
Ah, right.
It's tilted that way.
That's an angle. So if you lean into the tilt, then that's what causes it to rotate. Just be careful.
And because it's slanted, it's hard to stay on.
Okay.
And that big one.
You look like you just you look like you just did the robot dance. Do it again. You look like you just did the robot dance.
What do you mean?
When you went like that with your arms.
Get out the way, Chrissy.
Whoa, Ashland. You're such a bully.
I just said, yeah.
Look what you done. Are you gonna say sorry?
Sorry.
Don't tell me sorry. Tell your brother.
I just did.
You didn't. You just shouted sorry.
Spider-Man.
Does whatever Spider-Man does. You sure it's Spider-Man or is it Spider-Pig?
Yeah. At school, Ashan is famous, and his nickname is Spider-Man.
Ashland? Really? Who calls him that?
He beat a year 6 in a race.
Uh-huh.
And then as a celebration,
Ashland beat a year 6. Seriously? How come it's the first time I'm hearing about that then?
about Friday.
Okay.
Yeah, and then as a celebration, he climbed up that really big net and hung on to it.
Oh, so that's where he got the name from then.
Spider-Man.
So who gave him that name? Ah, okay.
And they are following him all along.
Okay. Is that true, Ashland?
Yeah.
Tell me your side of the story. Did you beat a year 6? Huh?
Beat a year 6 in a race. No? What? Year 6? Did you beat someone in a race? Yes. Who was it? I don't know. Big.
Yes. I know the wind is taking it away. Yeah, it's too windy. Looks like Shrek. Look at his face. Looks like, donkey, not Shrek. That's what I meant. Donkey!
Wind. God of the winds, please move.
Go on, try. Yeah, you're right. Oh! We're gonna have to get you a more powerful drone then, so it's not affected by the wind as much.
More heavy.
Heavy, yeah, that's right. Heavy and more powerful, and one with a longer battery life. Yeah, there's no point, it's still too windy. Can somebody tell me what's the fascination with children and puddles? Does anybody know? Why children love puddles so much? Why do you love puddles so much, Ashland? Why? Can you tell me why? Huh? Is it fun to play in puddles? Yeah, clearly it is, right? So what's going to happen now when that dirty water splashes on your face? What's going to happen? Huh? Or what's going to happen when your trainers get wet?
They'll get messy.
And then who's going to clean them?
Dad.
Dad? For real? You think so? I don't think so, mate. Ashton, no, come on now. I don't mind you playing, but don't get it on your face.
I'm gonna go fishing.
Oh, yeah, go fishing. That's right. I used to go fishing when I was a little boy. Because I used to live right by the seaside. Like 5 minutes away from the seaside. AJ, I even think I brought you there once. Where I used to live. And I took you to the seaside and showed you where I went fishing when I was a boy. You don't remember, okay. Are you saying you've got the memory of a goldfish? catch anything, Ashland?
Fish.
No fishes yet, okay.
Just see.
AJ, I'm actually freezing now. I'm getting cold, man. Well, I didn't listen. I didn't take your advice, okay? And now I regret it, okay? I promise next time I'll listen to you, okay? But I'm actually shivering. And I still need to go to the shop. Regin, you're kicking in water. How you do? How you do? Yeah.
I'd like to see you try to keep it, but you wouldn't.
Why wouldn't I?
Because you're gonna have to clean it.
I'm gonna have to clean you. I'm not responsible for cleaning you. You're old enough.
Okay. I don't need that. I don't get that biscuit. This is my elbow.
AJ, just be careful you don't get that on your face, man.